PR10 Tips and Tricks for Beginner on Windows 10. 1. Learn the useful of touchpad gestures at Settings Device Touchpad. 2. Manage your local storage with the Storage Sense at Settings System Storage. Hint, turn on the Storage Sense option. 3. Turn on Night Light at Settings System Display, then tap on the night light. 4. Quickly access Emoji Keyboard by right-clicking on the taskbar and clicking on the Show Touch Keyboard button. 5. Turn on Dynamic Lock by going to Settings Account Sign-In option. 6. Turn on the new Screenshot tool by going to Settings Ease of Access Keyboard, then turn on the Print Screen shortcut. 7. Review and customize privacy settings at Settings Privacy General. 8. Try Windows 10. Virtual desktops by holding down Windows and Tab key. 9. Learn new Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts, https://goo.gl/wrq72e. 10. Improve battery life in Windows 10 by going to Start menu Settings System Battery Saver.